A-level maths students get homework back with loads of ticks and loads of crosses, and parents feel like feedback has been done, but has it really? Because if I'm honest, a tick doesn't teach anything, a cross doesn't teach anything either. It just tells the student where they've gone right or wrong, and that tells a really bright student where they've got stuck. Parents see marked homework and think, great, they've been given feedback, but students are sat there thinking, okay, well now what? Nobody's actually shown them why they've made the mistake. I see this all the time. A student makes one tiny mistake in algebra and nobody picks it up properly. A few weeks later, they're doing differentiation and then integration, and suddenly they're struggling with topics that were actually not the problem in the first place. It was the original misunderstanding that never got fixed. Honestly, I think meaningful feedback is one of the most underrated parts of learning. Every mistake should answer 2 questions. Why did this happen, and what do I need to do next time? Because once a student starts to think like that, their confidence changes, their independence changes, and eventually their grades change too. This is something we've actually become really passionate about. Instead of marking homework and just moving on, every student receives a structured feedback report that they and their parents can easily understand. We break down what's going well and highlight the areas that are holding them back, identify patterns by topics, and most importantly, give clear recommendation and next steps. We did exactly this with Saira. When she joined just before the A-level exams, we didn't just give her more questions to complete. We systematically identified every gap in her understanding and explained why those were happening. Afterwards, her mom described the progress she made in such a short period as phenomenal. Not because Saira became suddenly better at maths overnight, because she finally understood exactly what she needed to work on and she had a clear roadmap for doing it. So if you're looking at your child's homework this summer and thinking, why are their grades not moving? It might not be because they need more questions, it might be because they need better feedback. If you'd like me to pinpoint exactly where those gaps are before year 13 gets underway, I offer a number of free strategy sessions each week. Just DM Maths and I'll happily get one booked in for you.